gobbling. If we're lucky, we're gonna call one in. Mariah's gonna shoot him at about 15 yards, so stay tuned. Fingers crossed. Let's kill a turkey.
More than one, though.
Is it?
Yeah.
You didn't even hear him the first 20 times.
I can be sure when I hear a turkey now. When I hear it, I know.
See if you can hear him. You hear him? No. He's answering every time. It sounds like there's more than one pretty far to the left, and now it sounds like Way to go, honey. Right there. Yeah. Way to go, honey. Holy cow.
My ears are ringing.
Oh my gosh. Great job. He's got some crazy colors. He's super dark.
He's got beautiful fan. Can't really stick his head out a lot.
I know, but it was enough, and that hen was clear, and I'm pretty sure I had both cameras recording.
Yeah, I think so. I can see.
That looks like a great
He's got
bird.
a great beard. And
Show
a
me your
great
shotgun shell. Yeah. Him and one hen.
And one hand.
Like, I mean, I could hear him. Where are you at?
I love my shotgun.
Come over here, sit next to me. Come talk to me.
Oh, wow, you're really in the bushes.
I'm really in the bushes. It was nice though for having the camera and everything.
Yeah, you really can't see that much. So I could see.
Well, and I'm leaned up. I couldn't see him until he was just to the right of this tree, which is at 5 yards, and then he was just to the right of that. I cannot.
Always adrenaline.
10 after 6. I cannot. We just smashed one. Go, Mariah. Dang it. Okay, we got all our stuff picked up here, and we're getting ready to go take a look at Mariah's bird. Let me get out of this tree that I was in. Oh, that's where Mariah was sitting, and I was tucked right back in there with the camera and everything. Good job, decoys. That was the spread. Just a nice lax little jakey poo. Does he have some spurs on him? Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. Wow.
That is by far your biggest gobbler. Hold it up so where I can see it. Look at those things. Oh my
shaking.
gosh. Do you see those?
Those are huge.
things
Those
are
are my
hooks.
biggest ones.
Jeez, Mariah. Are you joking? Tilt your hat up. I can't see your face.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm looking at the turkey. I love all the wispiness.
That's amazing. What a killer bird. Couldn't have gone a whole lot better. So I'm feeling pretty good about that. So anyways, thanks a bunch for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, go kill a turkey. Right there. Way to go, honey.